handbag lovers, be prepared. It looks very, very high end. So in love with both of these items. I have found the ultimate fall handbag. If there is one season that you get a handbag that feels a little more specific to that season, make it be fall. And I don't know what it is about fall accessories, but I am seriously obsessed. I partnered with Fabri for today's video, and I've got several goodies that I'm excited to share with you. I am not kidding, handbag lovers, be prepared because this is seriously the best bag. Actually, I have two bags that I want to share with you today. This one is the first one, and I am seriously obsessed with this bag. It does come in a few different colors. It is adjustable. You can wear it on the shoulder. You can wear it crossbody. Like see here, I have it on the third setting, so you could even do a little shorter drop if you want, or you can bring it all the way down here and wear it crossbody if you'd like. I am seriously obsessed with this bag. It does come in a few colors. I don't know if I said that already. The suede is seriously so scrumptious. If you're not familiar with Fabri, I've fairly newly been introduced to this brand. I feel like it is one of those brands that isn't nearly getting as much love and attention as it deserves. It is a collaborative designer brand. So they work with some very, very high-end luxury designers that have worked with Louis Vuitton, Fendi, Dior, like a ton of different designers, and they collaborate with those designers to create these custom pieces that are just seriously incredible using high quality luxury materials and fabrics and fits and everything. I have introduced a few clothing items to you guys. So this is my first handbags from them, and I am seriously obsessed. These look exactly like designer handbags, and you guys know that I am so picky when it comes to my handbags. Very, very affordable, but I feel like you get so much at that price point. So this handbag is called the Duomo. It is $358 and it comes in two different sizes. This is the small, and it also comes in a medium. And like I said, it does come in several different colors, but this suede right here is seriously, I'm not even kidding. I wish you guys could feel the quality of this. The hardware is so beautiful. Very minimal branding, which I prefer. It does have the branding right here on this back pocket, and it also has the branding right here etched into the hardware. Interior is very simple. It is also lined in the suede, and you've got one pocket, and I love the magnetic closure. I love how easy that is. Easy to get in and out, but also easy just for a little added security. Before we dive into the second handbags, I did want to share some of the clothing pieces that I just recently got from them. So this is actually where I started with Fabri, and I will say I was instantly impressed. I have coats from them, I have pants, I have blazers, I have tops, I have sweaters. I have several items from them, and every single item feels high-end, feels ready to wear at a fraction of the cost. So this blazer right here, I wish you could feel the quality of this fabric. Thick, but so beautifully done. All of the details here with the buttons, even the elbow patch. I just absolutely love everything about this blazer. You guys know I'm slightly blazer obsessed, and this is seriously a good one, especially for going into the cooler months. It's seriously gonna go with absolutely everything. I think it's the perfect color combo. Now these two pieces I was really intrigued by. It just felt very runway, especially paired together. I will say pairing them together is a little out of my comfort zone, but I do love the way it looks. It looks very high end, but I also think these pieces could be purchased individually. Well, they are purchased individually, but you could style them individually. So you don't need both. And if you only pick one, I kind of recommend the pants. I am seriously obsessed with these pants. I don't know, there's just something so fun about them. I love them. I think the print is cool, and you guys know I don't reach for stuff like this very often. So when I find a piece like this that's just a little more special, I'm always really excited to share it with you. I got these in an extra small petite, and then I also got this one in an extra small petite as well. These are in like a gauzy kind of silk material. Again, high quality fabrics. Look at all the details. You've got the scallop edging here around the collar, even down here with the button details. So many details that I just absolutely love with all of their pieces. If you are looking for a luxury bag for work, or a diaper bag, or like an all-in-one bag, I think I have discovered the perfect one. I am, again, so impressed with the silhouette, with the shape, with everything about this bag. Also comes in multiple colors. You've got this larger back pocket here. So this one is totally convertible. You can wear it as a backpack. You can wear it here with this kind of longer shoulder top handle here. You also have this adjustable strap that's a little bit thicker, so you can wear it a little bit longer as well. Still has that gold hardware that we all love. And then on the inside, you've got multiple compartments. That's why I actually like this one for work, because you have this back compartment here. You could do a laptop here, or your tablet, or all your paperwork, and then more of your personal items could go here if you'd like, with the zipper compartment. So impressed with this. I feel like they did such an amazing job just designing these pieces. It feels luxury, like this suede. Oh my goodness, this chocolate suede is seriously fall heaven. Let me show you the two pieces next to each other so you can kind of see the difference. This is more of like a raw suede. As you can see, it looks a little bit more like casual and distressed. And this one just feels so luxury, you guys. I am seriously so in love with both of these items. Okay, which one is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. This one right here, I feel like is everything that I have been looking for lately. You guys know I've been so obsessed with shoulder bags. I just don't think it gets any better than this. I absolutely love this. And this to me is like the ultimate convertible kind of all-in-one work bag, diaper bag, travel bag, whatever it is you need. This is the workhorse, and it can do all of it. And in this chocolate suede, it's seriously so scrumptious. Everything that I shared in today's video is going to be linked down below in the info box. Thanks again to Fabri for partnering with me on this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.